What about other structures? This is actually an engineered blood vessel. Very similar to what we just did, but a little bit more complex. Here we take a scaffold, and scaffold can be like a piece of paper here, and we can then tubularize the scaffold. And what we do is to make a blood vessel, same strategy. We take a blood vessel is made up of two different cell types. We take muscle cells, we paste or coat the outside with these muscle cells, very much like baking a layer cake, if you will. You place the muscle cells on the outside, you place the vascular blood vessel lining cells on the inside. You now have your fully seated scaffold. You're going to place this in an oven-like device. It has the same conditions as a human body, 37 degrees centigrade, 95% oxygen. You then exercise it, as what you saw on that tape. And on the right, you actually see a carotid artery that was engineered. This is actually the artery that goes from your neck to your brain. And this is an X-ray showing you the patent functional blood vessel. This is actually an example, several strategies to engineer solid organs. This is actually one of the strategies. We use a printer. And instead of using ink, you just saw an inkjet cartridge. We just use cells. And this is actually your typical desktop printer. It's actually printing this two-chamber heart, one layer at a time. You see the heart coming out there. It takes about 40 minutes to print. And about 4 to 6 hours later, you see the muscle cells contract.